And as you exhale, drop them again to the opposite side. Very good. Inhale, knees up. And exhale, go to the other side. As we do a few counts of this movement, try to go a little bit more down towards the ground than the last time. Try to reach the ground every time you go. Very good. Very nice, Naviji. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now last time, let's hold. Inhale and exhale, go to the one side. Now you can just close your eyes and just observe your muscles from within. Keep breathing, and now let's try to take deeper exhalations, okay? Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, take your time and push your knees down more towards the mat or the ground. Keep pushing and hold just for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just focus on your exhalation and keep pushing your knees down slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, gently lift your knees up to the center, and as you exhale, bring your knees down to the opposite side. Again, you can keep your eyes closed and just focus on your muscles. Keep breathing very softly and very slowly. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out, opening up your muscles, opening up your hip joints, your adductor muscles. We'll keep holding. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gently lift your knees up and legs. Straighten your legs and shake them up. If you feel the compression in the wrist, just rotate your wrist a few times in both directions, in the clockwise and in the anti-clockwise direction. Alright, very good. Okay. Now, just lie down on your mat towards your left side in such a way. Make sure that your whole body is in one plane. Okay. Take support from your left hand. You can just rest it down, or you can just make a fist to get more stability and control. Okay. Now, bend your right leg and bring your foot right over your left thigh. Okay. Now, you have to put your right hand over your knee. Okay. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you have to push it outside and try to feel the stretch in your right hip area. Okay, do you feel the opening? Okay, now if you can move your knee without the help of your hand, you can just rest your right hand down, and let's slowly work with your leg. Okay, now exhale, bring your knee down. Now inhale, open it up and try to push it using your leg strength only. Do you feel the opening of the hip area? And at the same time, you will feel the stretch in your quads muscles as well. Okay, now exhale, bring your knee down. Inhale, open up. Very good. Exhale, bring your knee down. Inhale, open up. Every time you do the movement, try to push your knee more and more away. Okay, exhale down. Inhale, open up. Push it away as much as possible for you. Exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Push it more outside. Exhale down. One last time with holding, okay? Inhale up and keep pushing it and just hold. Keep feeling the stretch to the max. You can close your eyes and with the help of your exhalation, try to expand your muscles more. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, release. Drop your knee down. Straighten your leg. Come up gently and release the compression or the stress from your left arm because it has worked hard to make you stable. Very good. All right, now again, go back in the same position. Okay, now we have to make the rotations. Right now we just open the thighs and the hip in one direction only. Now we have to create the mobility of the hip. Okay, so for that, again, you bring your feet right above, or you can just lift it. Okay, you have to make the rotations with your knee now. Okay, so start from the lower position and inhale, open up your knee and making big rotations. You have to bring it down. Okay, you have to work with your feet as well, making as big a circle as possible. Very good. 5 rotations in one direction. Very good. 3, inhale up, exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. 5, inhale up, exhale down. Now in reverse direction. 1, inhale up, exhale down. Bring it as down as possible and bring it more up and outside. Very good. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, release. Again, come up and release the stress from your left arm. Move it or shake it, whatever you feel like to release the stress or the strain. You can gently massage your arm as well if you feel too much of the pain in your arm. Okay, there are different ways in which you can relax yourself. Okay, all right, now the last movement in the same position. Now again, come back. Now keep your both legs straight. Now at this point you have to keep your right toe very pointed so that your leg is completely intact. Okay, now just take support from your both hands like this. Now as you inhale, you have to keep your knee straight and lift your leg as high as possible. Okay, up to your comfort, and make sure that your hip do not go completely back and you don't fall back on your hip. Okay, you just have to stay in one straight plane so that you can feel the contraction and the stretch in your quads. Okay, now let's do the 5 sets of this movement. All right, now let's go. Inhale, lift your leg up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now last time with holding. Okay, inhale up, hold it there, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale down. Very good. Now come up and let's change the side now. Okay, release your arm again before changing the side, and prepare mentally your right arm for the same work, same hard work. Okay, reminded that you are going to go through the same thing so that it can already feel stronger. Okay, yes, very good. Now again, bring your foot right over your right knee. All right, now in the same way, exhale, drop it down, and let's start the movement. Inhale, lift it up and try to push it more and more away so that you can feel the opening. Keep feeling your joint here especially. Okay, exhale down, inhale up, 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 exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and hold. Keep pushing it away and keep feeling the stretch in your hip joint. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, release and drop it down. Now let's start making the rotations with the hip joint. Okay, let's start. If you want to take the break, you can release your arm strength. Otherwise you can continue. Then let's do it. All right, okay, let's start. Now inhale, lift your knee up, make a big rotation, push it outside as much as possible, then bring it down. Very good. 2, inhale up, exhale down. 3, inhale up, exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. 5, inhale up, exhale down. Now in reverse direction, inhale up, exhale down. Try to make as big as rotations as possible. Very good. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last round. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, release. Come up and shake this right hand. Take a complete break. Very good. Okay, let's go for the final movement of the position. Now again, make sure to extend your toe completely to keep your leg intact. Okay, now let's lift the leg. Inhale, lift your leg up as high as possible. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Sometimes when you try to lift your leg, you get a crampy situation. So try to avoid it. If you feel any kind of cramp or any kind of strain, just massage that area very gently. Okay, and try not to lift it too high, because for as a beginner it can cause problem. Okay, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, last time with holding. Okay, inhale, lift your leg up and hold. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Exhale down and release. Come up and relax. Very good. Now shake your both arms, relax yourself, massage yourself gently, press your both arms muscles, giving yourself massage. This is a form of self-love, releasing your own stress. Physical stress relief can definitely release your mental stress as well. Okay, now for a few breaths, let's do a quick recap in our mind of the practice we just have done. Okay, now just simply put your both hands on your knees and just close your eyes. And now just try to observe your muscles, remind yourself of the practices, of the movements that you just have done in your today's practice, and just remind your muscles that you are more mobile now, you are more flexible than before, you are more awakened, more stronger than before. And in future, we are definitely going to do more hard work to make them more stronger. In result, it will create a very strong mindset so that we can accept all the challenges in the life. Now just take a few moments to remind all the movements to yourself.